Nowadays, we're all subscribed to so many services, it can be hard to keep up with what to watch. Fortunately, that's where Plex comes in. Today, we'll show you how to finally create a universal watch list for every streaming service. Plex is a media server that has been kicking around for a few years but hasn't gained much mainstream recognition. Plex has managed to sync every streaming service to its platform, resulting in a universal watch list feature. First, head on over to plex.tv. Then, sign up for a free account. New users may be prompted initially to sync their streaming services, but if you're not, it's no problem. Just head over to account settings and individually add each of the streaming services you're signed up for. The next time you search for something, you'll see options for that title's respective streaming platform. Simply add it to your watch list and you're in business. Have experience with Plex? Let us know what you think in the comments below, and stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.